Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Wednesday, August 19th, 2009. What a day. Oh, if any day deserves it, today does. Oh, horrible day. It was looking pretty good in the morning, I'll tell you that. Sterling with the big bomb. Unbelievable news. King wanted to increase borrowing dramatically. He got turned down, shot down by his other members of the MPC. And one of the legislators feels that the UK could default on their debt. Unbelievable turn of events. The pound got pounded. And, of course, obviously the big rally, crude inventories collapsing, crude oil to the moon, up $3. We'll look at that in a second. Dollar index still needs to break this whole downtrend, this whole head and shoulders line that I see here. And unless really we do break that level, to me, this whole 70, 78 level, even lower, is crucial. And if we can hold, we'll see. I mean, euro dollar at a major downtrend channel line. Tried to break through it today. It's not closing very well. We'll see. Time right now is 3:13 p.m. Eastern. But boy, what a day. What a day. What a turn of events. Not a great day, I will admit that. Terrible day. Up huge. You kidding? Carry trade melted down. We were there. But still, sterling yen down nicely. And again, the no real numbers out of the U.S. except the crude inventories. But certainly a lot of movement, a lot of stuff going on. Dollar index, as you see here, crucial level. Should we break through 78? It could get ugly. Ugly. Let's take a look at the daily charts. Gold making a nice comeback here. It was looking pretty weak for gold at one point tonight. But gold, again, this whole 930 level is crucial if gold and the dollar, if gold's going to collapse and the dollar's going to rally. Should that not happen, we got troubles. And the S&P futures, looking at the, again, this is the S&Ps. We'll see how they close. They're selling off a little bit into the close, but I think the stock market's probably going to close strong. I doubt we're going to collapse into it. 10-year note, again, got clobbered. And just interesting, they're buying stocks and buying bonds. Contango. But whatever the case, bond yields down, dollar yen down. And again, look at the futures chart. We really got to take out these lows here, that whole 978 level, and then we melt down. But stock market's never going down. Never, ever, ever. Oil, big story of the day here. Look at that chart. And how about that channel line? Listen, if you've been listening to my show, we predicted that this entire move to 66, it broke it. But if you remember, 66 was my big spot there. And now, should oil take out these levels, oh my goodness, ascending triangle, it could be an explosion. Oil closing very strong today. So, again, tonight's trade, we do have big data coming out. Oh, baby, we got London. Let's take a look at the pound to first. First off, climbing that wall of worry. What a move. It cannot seem to get through the 66.50 level. And, again, this channel line here. Some people don't really feel this is a valid channel line. I do. But looking at this sterling, to me, it's a hanging man. Absolutely. El Cable. I think this number is going to suck. Yes, the only thing is it did take out previous day high. That is definitely a bullish indicator. But I got to tell you, I think these retail sales are not going to be good. I'm going against consensus here. And, again, I just don't see how, given last month's retail sales number, they're going to follow through. Yes, they're looking for a weaker number than last month. But even so, last month was up 1.2%. They're looking for up 0.3. I think it could be a negative number. And, again, remember, triple roll, we sell the pound, baby. So looking at pound dollar, I don't know. Again, all bad news. Listen, we take out 66, it's going higher. We take out 66.50, it's going a lot higher. We go up to 67, easy. Euro dollar, bullish. That's the one that's scary. But, again, notice the downtrend channel line. Didn't really break it. It did. And, again, you look at the hourly chart, it definitely broke through. But now, clearly, through this whole 42.50 level is going to be crucial. Oh, baby. Big, big level. Selling off a little bit here, but, again, once we took off 41.50 to the moon, Alice. And again, Buffett's article also didn't help. Also talking about the dollar, talking about the U.S. What basically inferring that the dollar's going to collapse. What's the U.S. going to do? Dollar yen looks like death. Terrible. Terrible. And again, we had that reversal. We were up nicely. Dollar yen was definitely up a little bit. And monster sell-off. But again, looking at this dollar yen, I'm not very happy. It's not looking very good. We might be going for another downtrend channel line here from the lows to the highs. It's going to be a big spot in dollar yen. Right about that 92.80 level, 92.90. What a day. Hey, I'll tell you, some days you love this business, some days you just want to kill someone. That rally, I really did not see that coming. I thought the stock market was Shanghai down so big. I thought the stock market was ripe for a big slaughter. Hey, dollar Swiss, I loved it. Where's the intervention? Euro Swiss, help me. But look at this dollar Swiss. This does not look very good. Looks like it's probably going to be continuation to the downside. Probably going to maybe even test 106 tonight. Tonight. Euro sterling, obviously with the big reversal in London, the big news, obviously in London. I guess we're going back up. Should this euro sterling again, now we're bullish again on it. I was bearish, now bullish. Should this euro sterling break on through 86.50, it's gone. 86.60. To the moon, Alice. To the moon. Euro yen. Nice doji. Must say, definitely a nice doji there. So euro yen certainly took out the lows, was looking like death, took out previous day lows. I thought we had them. I absolutely thought we had them, but no soup for us. Just terrible. But again, with the futures coming in this morning and then euro yen exploding, I think we probably rally a little bit. But again, you want to look for some news. And obviously last night the news was key. Futures down, Shanghai down. Shanghai's probably going to be up tonight, especially if the stock market closes strong. Right now it's coming back a little bit. Still have 40 minutes till the close. But euro yen, with euro sterling going up, if there's one I would buy, it would be that one. Sterling yen, it looks a lot weaker to me. Sterling yen, SOS, sell on any strength. Again, I think these London numbers are going to suck, given that I think that sterling yen. Now, dollar yen obviously is the key. If dollar yen sells off and cable sells off, it could get ugly. Ugly. But sterling yen certainly holding up fairly well. Even took out previous day lows. Took out previous day highs last night in Asia. That was insane. But let's see where we close. But I'll tell you, should we close a lot higher? I think you sell on strength. I don't think it's going to take out today's high, last night's high. But obviously, listen, if I'm wrong about retail sales, cable across the board to the moon, Alice. To the moon. Aussie yen, let's take a look at that yen carry. Another nice reversal. Took out the lows, closing decently strong. We're probably going to be up nicely. I would imagine we are going to be up nicely as far as the Aussie's concerned. Let's take a look at the Aussie dollar real quick. The Aussie dollar making a nice comeback. Took out previous day highs. Aussie dollar looks very good. Now I think it looks good. Today, we would have closed under 82. I would have said terrible. Now they made a comeback. Oil up big. Metals up. Copper was still down a little bit. But, again, given these numbers, given where we're closing, it's looking pretty good. And, again, if you have any questions about going premium, I crushed them today. I killed my premium members today. Feel free to email me at info@globalfxradio.com. This Euro Swiss looks terrible. Look at that breaking Euro Swiss. Where's the intervention? Where is it? And one of the things I also want to show you here, the hourly chart, if it'll freeze. I hope it doesn't freeze. But the hourly chart on this euro dollar. We certainly broke through this entire downtrend channel. Now, it'll be key to see what we do here. We're pulling back. Do we break on through, break it out to break it down, or is this really start of a big move in the euro? It certainly could be, and this whole 42.50 level is crucial. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at info@globalfxradio.com. My best guess, people, again, London numbers are going to suck. U.S. numbers, Philly Fed, I think that's going to suck also. Stock market down tomorrow. Oh, baby. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio.